All right, here it goes. Wendy's jalapeno popper chicken sandwich. Let's give this a try. Wendy's is not bad. I actually enjoy Wendy's. It's not the best burger place in the world, but it's pretty good. Way better than McDonald's. McDonald's, if they even get your order right, it sucks. All right, so I've never had one of these before. It smells pretty good. There's some sort of sauce on it. Cheese, bacon, jalapeno. Looks pretty good. I thought it would be a little bit bigger than this, but whatever, I ain't complaining. All right. Well, that was a solid 5 out of 10. Definitely not. I'm not disappointed, but I'm not impressed either. Oh, that's right. Cream cheese. They're not bad. All right. I'm assuming that's cream cheese. Jalapenos are pretty good. I don't know if y'all could hear that, but I just let out a real scorcher. They're pretty good. I would eat another one. I don't know if it was $10 good, but they're pretty good. The combo, I got the medium combo. It was like $10. Oh man, I can feel. I feel like this is gonna give me some mega diarrhea. All right. Wasn't bad. Wasn't a very big sandwich. Tastes pretty good. Wasn't very hot though, and I could already feel it working its way through my stomach. If anything, if anything horrible happens later, I'll let you know.